am coming with Dakoos, an Arabic salsa. I'm a fan of this salsa. When I was in Dubai, I tried once too, and I'm a fan of this salsa. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Dakoos Moses Kitchen. Let's make this Dakoos sauce together. 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, onions quarter roughly chopped, green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, some mint leaves, and rough cut cilantro. Squeeze some lemon juice, cumin powder, just enough salt, all onto a blender jar. Just give a blend. In between, clean up the sides and blend. A rough blend. When you open, be careful. The spice fragrance will be very strong. Enjoy. Let's try the Dakoos. A lot of flavors. Lemony, a little bit of garlicky, tanginess from tomato and fresh flavors from coriander and mint. So beautiful. Very good combination for kabsas, biryanis, any type of that kind of rices. Don't miss out to try this. If you like it, please share it, comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Dakoos Moses Kitchen. Bye.